So welcome to this speech class of your own topic. So today is Saturday, and we are starting off with Saturday Activity Club. Today is speech class.
A very cheerful good morning to all of you. Regards, teacher, principal. My name is Ravi Raj. I would like to tell about the topic demonetization in India. On 8th November 2016, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, in a surprise move, announced the implementation of demonetization, that the 500 rupees and 1000 rupees bank notes would cease or prohibit to qualify as a valid tender from 9th November 2016 onward. Demonetization means withdrawing or stopping, discontinuance a currency, demonetization of its status as a legal tender. In other words, demonetization refer to the process of deciding the certaining coins and bank notes can no longer be exchanged for goods and service. The process of demonetization takes the symbolic meaning and power away from a given type of currency. Elimination of fake notes, reduce corruption, stop terror funding, illegal funding, bring unused idle cash into the banking channels, etc. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, that was well tried. Yes, next. Your camera should be on when you're speaking.
My topic is feminism. Feminism is a social and political movement that advocates for the rights of women on the ground of equality of sexes. It does not deny the biologically difference between the sexes, but demand equality in opportunity. Feminism is not just important for women, but for every sexes, gender, caste, creed, and more. It empowers the people and society as a whole. A very common misconception is that only women can be feminist. It is absolutely wrong, but feminism of the sexes, not the superiority of women. Feminism takes the gender roles which have around for many years and tries to deconstruct them. This allows people to live freely and empower lives without getting tied down by traditional restrictions. In other words, it benefits women as well as men. For instance, while it advocates that women must be free to earn, it also advocates that why should men be the sole breadwinner of the family? It tries to give them freedom to all. Most importantly, it is essential for young people to get involved in the feminist movement. This way, we can achieve faster results. It is no less than a dream to live in a world full of equality. Thank you.
Yes, next.
So my topic is ignorance is bliss. So
Raise your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start. Milind.
Yes, ma'am. So ignorance is bliss originates in Thomas Gray's poem named "Ode in a Distant Prospect of Eton College" in 1982. So the statement is can be true, and it can be taken as an ignorant individual with a below average lifestyle. Although that person is in need of money, or he or she can find happiness. Being ignorant has many downsides, such as not being aware of the political economy and being unemployed, and many more. So being knowledgeable brings a variety of qualities, and it can also provide certain in certain areas. Uh, it can also provide the same and a variety of qualities such as success along with the happiness. And as an individual that has plenty of money, a steady job, and obviously successful finds a happiness. So finally, I would like to say that by saying anyone can be blessed, no matter how much money he or she have, it is completely up to the fools or knowledgeable people whether to be happy or miserable.
All right, very good. Yes, next. Switch on your camera.
Good morning, everyone. I am Akanksha Jaiswal, and today I would like to tell something about Stephen Paul Jobs. He was born on February 24, 1955, October 5, 2011, and he was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor. He was the chairman, chief executive officer, and co-founder of Apple Incorporated, the chairman and majority shareholder of Pixar, a member of the Walt Disney Company board of directors following its acquisition of Pixar, and the founder, chairman, and CEO of Next. Jobs is widely recognized as a pioneer of the personal computer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s, along with the early business partner and fellow Apple co-founder Steven Wozniak. Jobs and Wozniak co-founded Apple in 1976 to sell Wozniak's Apple's first personal computer. Together, the duo gained fame and wealth a year later with the Apple II, one of the first highly successful mass-produced microcomputer. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandhya Kumari. Today, my topic is two states. The story of my marriage autobiographical with only names changed. The story is about a couple, Chris and Ananya, who hail from two different states of India, Punjab and Tamil Nadu respectively, who are deeply in love and want to marry. It is narrated from a first-person point of view in humorous tone, often taking digs at both Tamil and Punjabi culture. The story begins in the IIM Ahmedabad mess hall where Chris, a Punjabi boy from Delhi, sights a beautiful girl Ananya, a Tamilian from China, Chennai Korean, with the mass stuff about the food. Ananya was tagged as the best girl of the Fraser batch. They become friends within a few days. Both graduate and get jobs with serious plans for their wedding. At first, Chris tries to convince his girlfriend Ananya's parents to help him.
So good morning, everyone. My name is
You sit down and switch on your camera. That's it.
good morning, everyone. My name is Argya Soni, and today's my topic is can money buy everything? So in my opinion, from money we can buy house, but not home. From money we can buy clock, but not time.
Very good.
From money we can buy bed, but not sleep. From money we can buy appetite, but not from money we can buy food but not appetite. From money we can buy doctor but not good health. From money we can buy insurance but not safety. So So this is the problem that we all have. There are things that you cannot buy with material worth of money. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I speak?
My name is Jyoti Kumari.
1 minute. Yes, after this, Jyoti, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jyoti Kumari, and today I'm going to deliver a speech on be true to yourself. Stay true to yourself. Don't worry about what people think of you or about the way they try to make you feel. If people want to see you as a good person, they will. If they want to see you as a bad person, absolutely nothing you do will stop them. Ironically, the more you try to show them your good intentions, the more reason you give them to knock you down if they are committed to misunderstanding you. Keep your head up high and be confident in what you do. Be confident in your intentions and keep your eyes ahead instead of wasting your time on those who want to drag you back. Because you can't change people's view. You have to believe that true change for yourself comes from within you, not from anyone else. Thank you, all of you.
Very good. Yeah, continue.
Hello everyone, I am Akriti. Good morning to all of you. And today I have chosen the topic trafficking of children. And from start, we will start with the definition of the trafficking of children. Trafficking of children is a form of human trafficking and is defined by the United Nations as the recruitment or kidnapping of the children. Now we will take to the topic why the trafficking of children is happening. Trafficking of children, many of the human traffickers are trafficking the children for the child labor and for working in the factories and many sexual exploitations for the girl childs. What are the main reasons of the human trafficking? The main reasons of human trafficking that due to poverty, the human childs go for the work in search of work the different places and they are getting trafficked for their purpose and they are getting exploited. Thank you.
That was better. Like introducing the topic, telling what the topic is all about, how it is done, why it is done, when it is done, where it is done, and what is the outcome. If you include all the 5 W's and 1 H, what? One sentence or couple of sentences? Why? Couple of sentences. When? Couple of sentences. Where? And how? If you compile these 5 W's and 1 H, you have a very beautiful speech ready, which is complete, which has a story, which has a beginning, and which has an ending. The last part will always be the conclusion part. And finally, I would like to say, in the end, I would like to end my speech with these words. In a crux, I would like to say, in a nutshell, I would like to say, not that's it. Suddenly you say, that's it, that's all. Not done. When you want to make a speech, it should be a speech which is well thought, well prepared. And it should come like a process. If you want to win the situation, if you want to take your words across, if you want to be clear and concise in your speech, it should be coherent. It means you should be linking one sentence to the other sentence, one paragraph to the next paragraph. Not haphazard. Without preparation, you are not getting anywhere. And you have to prepare this presentation skills, which is in your syllabus and which will not happen overnight. It will not happen overnight. It means it will take time. you were given a great deal of time in bridge class, wherein all this was tutored, it was taught, it was explained how it is important and how to make a presentation. If you remember, didn't I tell you the 5 W's and 1 H? Yes. You forgot about it. Bridge class over. Let's forget. Even when you are making a presentation on management, any topic on management, even then you have to be coming with the 5 W's and 1 H. What it is? What is management? Why it is done? Where it is done? How it is done? And all the 5 W's and 1 H. If I give you a topic on management, leadership, you cannot walk smoothly on a speech road, on a road that will take you to your achieved goal without preparation. All these topics, all these activities are well monitored, well mentored. You have been told, you have been taught how to do it. Do not come like just out of the blue and I will say something, that's it. No.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Ah, yes. Shubham Kumar. Somebody else?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes, start.
Amrita Abdul.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. Good morning to all of you. My name is Amrita Alam. I delivered this. My topic is about Tesla company. Who is the CEO of Tesla company? How I developed the Tesla company? What is the project of Tesla company?
Okay.
Formerly Tesla Motors, formerly American manufacturers of electric automobiles, solar panels and batteries for cars and home power storage. It was founded in 2003 by American. Tesla Motors was formed to develop an electric sports cars and ever had was Tesla chief's executive CEO and penning its chief financial office funding for the company was obtained from a variety of sources, most notably payable co-founder Elon Musk, who contributed more than $30 million to new the venture and served as chairman of the company beginning in 2004. In Tesla 2008, Tesla Motors released in first car, the completely electric roadsters in company Tesla. It achieved 245 miles at 394 kilometers on a single charge, a range precedented for a production electric cars. Additional tests showed that performance was comparable of that many gasoline-powered sports cars. The roadsters could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles, 96 kilometers per hour in less 4 seconds, and could reach the top speeds of 125 miles per hour. I stop my lecture with this word. Thank you.
Okay. Shubham Kumar.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I am Shubham Kumar. I am going to speak on globalization. Globalization is the process of interaction and integration among people and companies and government worldwide. Globalization has accelerated since the 18th century due to advance in transportation and communication technology. This increase in global interaction has caused a growth in international trade and the exchange of ideas, beliefs, and culture. That's all.
Okay. Yes, next. Manish Kumar.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Manish Kumar, and my topic is what is health? According to the World Health Organization, it is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and not only the absence of disease and infinity. Health can be promoted by encouraging healthful activities such as regular physical exercise and adequate sleep, and by reducing or avoiding unhealthful activities or situations such as smoking. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India has set up the National Health Portal (NHP), aims to make as a single point access for authentic health. Thank you.
Hmm. Yes, anybody else? All right, fine morning. Come on.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Brajesh, and I want to speak on the best day of my life. The best day of my life was when my father.
Please keep quiet, guys. Yeah.
The best day of my life was when my father surprised me with a gift on my 17th birthday. When I opened it, I found a very cool Jeep limited edition car. I couldn't prevent myself from jumping because of joy. I remember arguing from to teach me how to drive it daily until I could learn to drive. How happy I was when I found him seeing me drive alone. And I liked a lot when he smiles after I perform one of the simple moments such as driving with one hand or doing any other moments. This day was one of the best days of my life. It was such a great feeling. I might get to drive the car again to get back this feeling from that day.
Can I speak? Hi, this is Kishan Kumar, and this is Kishan Kumar, and my topic is why leadership is important for the employees and for the firm. Leadership, yes, ma'am. And my camera is iPhone में camera नहीं है. Leadership in a workplace refers to ability. Nowadays, leaders uses motivation process to motivate their employees and to contaminate and do their influences with other performance and their way to influence the employees is in the good way. The best abilities of the result of the success of the company's goals. When the leaders efficiently lead their company, the most likely impact the decision and the action of the attitude that all the employees will follow the instructions towards the leadership. And the leadership is all about the clarity. Clarity should be managed in the organization. The organization must be followed these rules and regulations which is provided by the leadership. And leadership includes in which manners they take the forms or the organizations in the upper head. They all have the ability to grow and provide more and more success to the organization. And at last, I want to say, to be an effective leader, you should have a strong sense of who you are when you have to do the work and what you do in a company at a large, what your employees individually do. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Roll number 45. Apurva. Camera should be on. Unmute yourself first. Unmute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you. I am here to present woman empowerment speech. Indian culture gives women the most respect. Many of our gods and female, and they have been worshipped as the deity of many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is Lakshmi. The goddess of power and the strength is Durga, and the goddess of wisdom and wisdom is Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. Women play an important role in society, and the whole family is dependent on women for its daily activities. They play the role of mother, wife, homemaker, cook, teacher, nurse, all at the same time, while catering to everybody's need. According to me, woman education is much more important, because when a woman will educate, the upcoming generation will educate. Because quality education is the key of women's empowerment. In last, I want to say that you can't knock a woman off a pedestal. She built herself. Thank you.
Very good. Time is up. वैसे Aniket Kumar has raised his hands. Aniket या अंकित है? Round of 50? अंकित हो?
Yes. Good,
Who is
good morning.
Ankit?
Roll number 50, ma'am.
ये Ankit, who is this Ankit?
Roll number 50, ma'am. Ankit Kumar.
Yeah, speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ankit Kumar.
What? Yeah.
My topic is negative effect of social media. Social networking does have negative effects as well, but are nothing compared to the advantage of using it. Social networking become mobile use will encourages cell phone use, and the problem with that is that cell phone have been found to emit electromagnetic radiation that is observed by the brain and body. This observation disrupts the brain seats for memory and learning and can be cause confusion and forgetfulness. It is also been reported that cell phones can cause cancer from the electromagnetic exposure to other parts of the body. What little emphasis has been placed on it. It's all, man. Thank you.
All right, that was good. You all need to revive yourself into speaking, whether it's speech or debate. And now I do not want to, for the next class, I would not allow this reading from a written text, whether it's from the internet or whether you have done it yourself. But now just forget this habit about reading. So when you're making a speech, I did not ask you to read out. It was not reading skills practice.
Okay, ma'am.
It was not reading skills. So now you have to train yourself to speak without. You can note down some points. I don't have any objection to that. If you have to speak about 5 points, note those 5 points down. You can with a small chit, but then reading line by line, word for word, this is not speech. Make it a habit to speak on the podium. Public speaking is something which is a learnable skill. You cannot be a winner just like that, overnight. We do not have any magical wand. You'll do this and you convert into a speaker. Practice will make it perfect. Try to speak in front of the mirror. And yes, you, Raviraj. आपका जो consonant बाद में होता है ना, speak for जो last consonant को stress कर देते हो. यस तुम पढ़ो कुछ अभी पढ़ो मैं बताती हूँ.
Formation of a new demand curve.
कर्व तुम ये तो बिल्कुल स्ट्रेस कर देते हो. और पढ़ो.
D1 to the left of the original demand curve. DD shows that the demand has reduced from Q2 to Q minus 1. Even though the price is constant.
Even though.
Even though.
The last consonant है ना, the last जो तो whether it's a vowel, you stress that thing. For the वो तुम इसको sing song कर देते हो. If I want to say that this should not be done. You should give equal value to all the words. I want to say something. So we'll speak on phonetics. We'll speak on pronunciation in some other activity class on Saturday, and Marquee will be continued on Monday. Yeah, Tuesday. That's it.